Hello students, hope you are enjoying your online classes. See, today we will start our new lesson, that is quadratic equations. Previously we have completed our chapter polynomials, and today we will start quadratic equations. So let us start our chapter with introduction. Okay, so in our previous chapter we have studied different types of polynomials. Okay, and in that polynomials only one type was quadratic polynomial. Okay, so here that the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equals to 0, that is what quadratic polynomial. We have learnt about so many types of polynomial, and under this only that ax square plus bx plus c of the form is known as what? Quadratic polynomial. And when we equate this polynomial to 0, we get a quadratic equation. Is that okay? So just you think, when we equate this polynomial to 0, okay, we get a quadratic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We can call it what? A quadratic equation. And quadratic equation come up when we deal with many real life situations. Just you think of our real life situations. In our life we are getting so many types of situation. Is that okay? So we will take some examples from our real life situation also. Now see, just you take the example. Suppose a charity trust decides to build a prayer hall. Okay, just I'm giving you the example. Suppose a charity trust decides to build a prayer hall having a carpet area of 300 square meter. So we can assume the shape of a carpet as rectangular. So just you assume this as the shape of carpet, and its area is how much? 300 meter square. Okay, with its length 1 meter more than twice its breadth. With its length 1 meter to twice than breadth. Is that okay? So let us suppose the in that condition we have to what? Form a quadratic equation. Is that okay? So for forming the quadratic equation, just we assume the breadth of the hall will be how much? X. Okay, and so its length should be twice more than its length. That was only, so it will be 2x plus 1. Okay, now see, area of the hall. We know that area of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So can we write like this? 2x plus 1 into x meter square. And here we have given area how much? 300. So 300 is equals to 2x square plus x meter square. And when we arrange it in a proper way, okay, when we arrange it in a proper way, we will get a quadratic equation. So just you arrange, we can write 2x square plus x minus 300, because I told you everything need a pattern in life, either in ascending order or in descending order, or any format we have to follow. Okay, or any pattern we have to follow. So 2x square plus x minus 300 is equals to 0 is our quadratic equation. Now see, there are certain facts of everything. We can start our chapter, it's okay, but see, there are certain facts also that we should know. इज़ दैट ओके? हम कभी कभी कहते हैं ना, जो कुछ भी चीज़ स्टार्ट करने से पहले थोड़ा उसके पहले की जानकारी हम लोगों को रखना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो ये चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने से पहले इस चैप्टर का सुझाव किसने दिया, किसने उसे आगे बढ़ाया, ये सब के बारे में कुछ कुछ फैक्ट है जो हम लोग अभी जान लेते हैं. पहला, many people believe that Babylonians were the first to solve quadratic equations. Is that okay? So we can say that Babylonians were the first who started this quadratic equation. Okay, so they were the first only who solved the quadratic equation. Is that okay? After that, a Greek mathematician Euclid. Okay, we have heard about Euclid in class 9 also. Okay, so he developed a geometrical approach for finding out lengths, which in our present day terminology are the solutions of quadratic equation. He developed a approach, who? Euclid, and that in our present day these are called the solutions of quadratic equations. Is that okay? After that, Brahmagupta gave an explicit formula to solve a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx is equals to c. Okay, and after that, Sridhar Acharya derived a formula now known as the quadratic formula. Okay, Sridhar Acharya derived a formula now known as the quadratic formula for solving a quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. So he had given another method to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, to find the solution of the quadratic equation, Sridhar Acharya given a formula that is known as the method of completing the square. The method of completing the square. Okay, after that, an Arab mathematician, Al-Khwarizmi, also studied quadratic equations of different types, and an Arab mathematician also he had studied about the quadratic equation of different types, not only one type, of different types. After that, A.B.H.H. Nasi, in his book Liber Embadorum, gave complete solution of different quadratic equation. Okay, so Nasi only he gave a complete solution of different quadratic equation. These are the facts just we should know, because some fact is also important in our life. That's why for the introduction of quadratic equation I told you this. Okay, this much for this class, and in the next class we will solve some problems related to quadratic equations. Is that okay? See, knowing the fact is good for us also. Is that okay? So, this much for this class. Have a good day.